Hi, this is Soumya Parmar, this demo for CSC 588 Sprint 3. So first I'm going to start the audio engine to show the demo. So these are the two random sound which are playing. I have assigned like after a certain time to play. Next I have play an or random audio using an audio input. Sorry, input. So this will play a random audio as you can see. So I've assigned key specific keys to do a specific functionalities like changing pitch or changing volume or play or pausing it or changing the panning like panning scale and radius. And so this is some random audio which I've played using an input specific and also changing different functionality like panning, volume and everything. So next I will do like display overflow demo. So which are also like doing certain functionalities which will glow out of the queue like so just paste the demo solution here. So it will just stop the program because this will make it go out of the queue. So for this, this is the game.cpp class. So here first, I've created a thread, audio thread, which runs differently. So here I've created a thread, and next is in the update function. I've assigned all these keys to the specific functionality, as you can see. So here is the for the overflow demo, like playing all of this different functionalities. So all this will go into is handled by a handle, and then this all go to a circular queue. So if all of this it goes out of the size of the circular queue, then it will cause an overflow. So so now I will first explain like what is happening. So now this is the sound class which handles all the sounds and what the functionalities happen with it. So every sound is created with an ID. Now every ID does a specific functionality. So we have assigned just every ID as an enum here. Like for playing a bassoon or a fiddle or random music or stopping, pausing or different change volume and everything. So this is for that. And like as you can see in the game class, we are playing uh, with this ID is sent to the queue using a send or sound manager. So the sound manager class handles sending all this data, the sound ID data to the queue. So as you can see here. Now, this sound manager consists of two circular data objects, which are audio in and game in, which takes care of the audio data and the game data. So, as you can see, now when we send an audio data, it will just add this data to the queue, which is specific to the audio data. So, as you can see in the game class, when I want to, let's say, play a specific audio here and by present. So this will call this function and then check send this specific ID for required for it to play like the sound command, and then this will send the data to the circular data. So now I will show the handle class. So this is the handle class for that. So handle consists of an ID and an index, and a handle is managed by a handle manager, which will validate and handle, invalidate and handle, and this also activates an handle, which will just add this handle to a table. So there's also a race condition while doing so. So I also added a mutex protection here, as you can see. Next is the circular data uh, class. So this is the circular data queue which handles the adding the data to the queue and also removing it like popping it. So I also added there's also a race condition here. So I also added a mutex protection here. Uh, so next I'll set the circular data size to 8. So all of these commands or like the sound the data is added to the circular data. So for overflow, if it goes out of this like the circular data, the commands go out of this size, then it will cause an overflow. For that, I have added a check here, like if this happens, like when we are adding the data and it goes out of the flow, it will just do an assert here, as you can see. Uh, Next is the like the audio thread class. So as you can see, this is the audio thread class which handles the playing of the audios. First, we are loading the file and the buffer here, as you can see. Next, also initiates on basically the calling the sound, creating the source and calling the sound. And this is for the different functionalities like panning and everything. Next, for this audio main like requires the parameters first for stopping, which I was saying that if I press an S key, it will just stop the audio thread. Next is this two circular data, which will be passed in the audio thread. So as you can see, I've created three different buffers, which will hold these different audio files here. And next, like from the P audio data which we are passing, we are popping the queue, and then we are checking if that value, like let's say if I want to play a bassoon ID, so it will be passed, and then it will pop the queue, and if it is true, then it will do this certain functionality like playing the sound or like pausing the sound or volume change or panning it or different things like that. So this is the audio thread class for that, and this will do that functionality. So yeah, this is the demo for CSC 588.3. Thank you.